Good morning, everyone. I'm gonna be doing a vlog today. As you can see by the title of this video, this is all gonna be self-care focused. I look kind of weird right now because I got a spray tan last night and I haven't washed it off yet, so I look kind of funky, but I'm gonna wash it off in a little bit. As you can see in the intro, I just woke up and journaled, and now I'm just sitting talking to you, drinking some water. And it's funny because while I was journaling, my boyfriend, Braden, he had to go move his car, and so he turns to me while I'm journaling and he says, "Do you want me to get you a coffee when I go get my car?" And I was so excited, and I got it on camera because I was journaling and filming that. So I'm gonna put it in now, my reaction to him saying he was gonna go get me coffee. Are you serious? Yeah.
Starbucks?
Yeah.
Okay.
Serious?
What do you want?
Oh my god, you're amazing. I want an iced peppermint white mocha with oat milk. I get so excited about coffee, and he's going to Starbucks to get me some, and some egg bites, which I love their egg bites, so excited. Anyway, so he's gone right now. This light is really weird. We just got these lights that we can change the colors of, and it's so cool. So I thought I'd open this up with like a conversation about loving yourself more and self-care in general. I'll just kind of show you different things I've been doing lately throughout the day, but I wanted to start with just a few things that have changed in my life recently that have helped me really love myself more. One big thing for me lately is I've actually been texting myself. These are all the messages I've sent to myself. I haven't been doing it forever, so that's all I have, but I just send myself little love notes. Also, morning rituals really help you love yourself too. And that's what I was kind of showing with my journaling. I'm gonna grab my journal so that you can see what I've been doing as far as writing in that. So this is my gratitude journal. It looks like this. There's a morning meditation, and then there's a evening reflection. The morning meditation is you write what today's focus is, and then you write an affirmation. Then you write down what you're grateful for. So I usually just fill the whole section here. You write what you're excited for today, which today we're going to my brother's play, so I'm excited for that. I'll probably vlog a little bit while we're there. Last thing is how I'll make space for gratitude today. One thing that's been super helpful for me is my CBD oil. CBD oil really calms your nerves. This is a CBD tincture. Braden got this for me for, I think it was our anniversary or Christmas, I don't remember, but he got this for me. This one's mint flavored, but they make different ones. Hex, don't do that! She is like pulling stuff out of the cupboards. Why? You're psycho! She's so crazy. Anyway, I don't even know what I was saying. Oh, I think Braden is home. Maybe. She's so excited every time you go home. She like knew you were coming before I did. Hi, baby. Thank you. You're awesome.
Do you hear me coming down the hall? Okay.
Did they say it still had dairy in it? Thank you.
About
I love you.
Is it the right drink?
Mm-hmm.
It is peppermint one.
Yes.
Okay.
It's delicious. What did you get?
The chestnut.
The chestnut creamy. Well, Braden just got back with the coffee. This is an iced peppermint white mocha with almond milk because I can't do cream and cheese anymore because my body is upset about dairy right now. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No, it's pretty good.
Can I try it? I don't want to like drink a lot because it's got dairy, but it'd probably be fine if I just had a taste.
It's really good. I like it. I usually don't like coffee.
Oh my god. That's like amazing.
Yeah. Great.
Oh
You
my
got
god.
me addicted to coffee
I'm
now.
getting that one next time.
I'm getting this tomorrow.
This one's really good too. Do you want to try mine?
Sure.
This one tastes like Christmas.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. We have the red pepper egg bites. And I always get the avocado spread and sriracha because the avocado spread is the best part. All right, well, I'm gonna eat these and then I will film in a little bit. I just got done eating. Brayden's playing with the lights because they're so cool. Should I show the lights? You should change them. Oh yeah, ooh, pretty. Oh, they're so cool.
This is soothing.
Oh, I like it. It is soothing.
Do you like my soothing voice? Do you like my soothing voice?
Brian. Brian. If you guys want these lights, I'm gonna link them in the description of this video. I'm just writing a reminder. We got them from Best Buy. They're super cool. They're really pricey though. I feel like they're worth it though. Don't you feel like they're like really bright?
Totally worth it.
Yeah. I wanted to show you guys also this other thing that's been helping me with self-care. I just picked up these Oracle cards. So I got these from Urban and they're pleasure Oracle and they all have really cool designs. Oh damn.
I changed it to the love setting.
Okay, this is a really good one. I'm gonna read this one. To experience hurt and loss is to become more wise. Nothing good ever came from playing it safe. Whereas risk may contain injury, it also contains every imaginable treasure. So dare yourself to do something major. It's by moving through pain rather than bypassing it that we come face to face with pleasure. That goes for life as much as it does kink. And then there's like a call to action. All of them have like, So they have like a description and then they have like a call to action. So this one's call to action is, because life's heartbreaks will come whether you welcome them or not. You may as well invite them in and accept their gifts. It would be rude not to. To feel pain is to know you're alive, and what a gift that is. This one was such a good one. I love that. So cool, and all the doodles are just so amazing. I guess not doodles, but the art. I can link these too. So maybe I'll link these as well as the lights in the description. I'll come back when we're all showered and everything. So I'm all showered. I'm gonna do my hair and makeup because I have to go to my doctor's appointment soon. Lately I've been using mouse ears to hold my hair back when I do my makeup because they actually work really well. So I feel like skincare really goes into self-care because when you take care of your skin and your body and you just take care of yourself, it makes you feel better. I also get like spray tans every week or so. I have a spray tan membership at Palm Beach Tan. I usually go with like a cooler tone. I love getting spray tans because they make me feel like more confident and make my skin look more even. Makeup is done and we're gonna focus on the hair. I am on my way to my doctor's appointment. I literally had to go all the way back up and I don't know why I just took the stairs. But I went all the way back up because I forgot my keys. I'm gonna head to my doctor's appointment now. I wanted to mention that I've been listening to a lot of podcasts lately. I don't know if my camera's gonna fall when I drive because I don't have a camera holder. But I've been listening to a lot of podcasts lately, and one that has helped me a lot is the Magic and Manifestation podcast. So I'm gonna put that on now. All right, well, that's not gonna work. I just got out of the doctor's. I made it on time because I left early. I can't tell if my makeup looks good or not. I feel like it looks good on camera, but then I look in the mirror and I'm like, oh no, it looks weird. I don't know. I just need to get better lights for my bathroom. I've got to put in my address because I cannot get anywhere without my GPS. I was gonna show you guys the podcast I'm listening to right now. It's the Mindset, Magic, and Manifestation podcast with Michaela J. This is it right here. That's Michaela J. This one's How to Manifest, Manifestation Steps, my 4-step process, daily actions for manifestation. So I'm listening to that one right now. I've been really working on manifesting too, which I also feel like goes into self-care because manifesting your dream life honestly really works. If you don't know about manifestation, look into it. The law of attraction, it's scientifically like backed. Like there is evidence that it works, so it's amazing. And when I get home, I'm gonna show you my vision board because vision boards are a great way to manifest what you want. I'm gonna listen to this podcast and drive home. I'll check back then. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys my vision board. This is it. I'll show you a close-up. One big thing I'm manifesting right now is a dream home. Me and Brayden want to buy a place, so I really loved the windows in this and just like how big it is and the vaulted ceilings. I'm all about like the big windows, and I really want to live somewhere by the ocean, so that's why I have like the ocean and the view here, and I love having some kind of a view. I mean, as you can see, like that's part of why I live here, for the view. So I write down here, I'm manifesting my dream home, and then there's a picture of like the city because that's also like a really cool view. Like I want it to be in a city by the ocean, some form of that. And then I have here genuine affectionate pics with my love, so that's a cute picture of a couple, and I just want more pictures with me and Brayden together, so that's why I put that there. And then a picture of a couple with palm trees, so that is kind of manifesting this together in Florida. I think it'd be really cool to buy a home. I thought it was cute because it reminded me of, if you've seen Anastasia, she has like a necklace that says together in Paris. So I thought it would be cute to kind of take inspo from that. So that's what this picture means. And then there's this because of like Disney World being there. So we'd be living near there. This is a picture of Disneyland, but you get the idea. This is just a quote. We cannot become what we want by remaining what we are. So a reminder to get out of your comfort zone and do things that make you feel uncomfortable, because it just might give you your dream life. So this is travel. I really want to travel out of the country with Brayden. So I have that down there. Healthy habits for me to start eating better, which I have been doing really well on. I just ordered HelloFresh, so that's to try to help me with my healthy habits and just creating a healthier life for myself, which is a part of self-care. Making money on YouTube. This is what I'm really manifesting right now. And that's Tara Michelle. She's a YouTuber that I love, and I just really, really adore her and all her videos. So I have her there for my inspiration. And I really want to have a brand on Instagram that people can like see me and know that that's me. So I really put that down there. And this is just kind of like inspo photos of kind of what like I want my brand to look like, you know, lots of like blacks and whites and creams and golds. Upping my game on Insta. So that is my vision board. Isn't it pretty? I think what I'm gonna do is I might do my nails, and later today we're probably going to be going out to dinner before my brother's play, and so we'll have a little date night later. But as for now, we're just gonna relax. All right, it's been a while. I still haven't done my nails. I am cooking us a little snack because we're not going to dinner till later. I'm making us some avocado toast with an egg on top. I got these nails from Cheel. They're like a pink with a white flame. We're about to leave for dinner. We're going to Tsunami Sushi. This drink tastes like peaches. We devoured this. Good? We just saw my brother's play in pieces. And now we're gonna see if we can say hi to him.
We literally saw the play in pieces.
Yeah, we did. Because
now, isn't it? It's cool, right?
Right?
And then you can pair it with rice, clap them on top.
There you go.
All of a sudden, it's
Oh,
so
what?
cool. Isn't it?
That's very unique. I love that. That's so cool.
I got this at the DI.
Your favorite part of the play?
Definitely like that I perform it.
Yeah.
My favorite song is definitely the internet one.
Okay. I don't think we saw that
Oh
one.
my gosh, that one's probably the funniest.
Really? We're back from the music hall. It was so amazing. He did such a good job, my brother did. And I was so impressed. It was a great musical. It was called In Pieces. We're in the bathroom because I am doing my night routine, like on my skin. Do I want tea or do I want apple cider? The apple cider will taste better, but this will feel better because this one's a detox one.
Make that apple cider, I'll link it, and you can have some.
Okay, that sounds good.
I'll drink whatever you don't. How about that?
So make it tea for me and apple cider for you and just have some of it? Back to the bathroom. I have my tea made. I decided on a detox one because we went out for sushi for dinner, as you saw, and it was so good, but it did fill me up a lot. And I don't feel sick or anything, but I just thought the detox would be better. And Braden's drinking the apple cider. We're just watching some Mickey and Minnie old cartoons, Christmas themed ones of course. I've been taking vitamin E oil because it's supposed to be good for your skin and it's supposed to help prevent you from getting sick, and everyone at work is getting sick, so I don't want to be one of them, especially because we have a vacation coming up next month. It is the end of the day. I have my galaxy light on and I'm gonna do my evening reflection. So this is what I was talking about earlier in my gratitude journal. Sometimes, if I have time, I will read a little bit of this book, Feel the Fear and Do It Anyway. I love this book, it's so great. So, that's kind of what I do day to day. Please like and subscribe if you liked this video and want to see more, and turn on the little bell if you want to be notified when I post. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Every night I close my eyes and see